Oh man, I can't believe I have to be making videos at like 4 in the morning, bro. But holy shit, man. How the fuck does this even happen, bro? Like, Jesus, straight run up from here. Absolutely amazing, man. I'm still happy. I'm only holding about like 20% of my doggy coin from that first initial sell off. I sold not everything, but I sold about 40%. I mean about 80% around this 40, 41 cent level. Jesus, man. I had no clue it was gonna run like this. No idea. No idea. I thought I was gonna actually dump back to like 18 cents, 100%. No clue. I did not expect Dogecoin to keep running towards 50 cents. And I think it did break. I think it went up to 50 cents, right? Or 49. Did it break 50? It hasn't. So it hasn't broken 50 cents yet. But Jesus, this is absolutely amazing. To everybody that's holding still, congratulations, man. This is absolutely insane. No one, absolutely nobody could have ever predicted that doggy would have had such an incredible run in the last 3 months or so. Like, like you literally made like a 14x if you held from back in February, dude. And if you've held from a year ago, you've made 191x. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible.